On Lot 41, there stands a hand-chiseled, rock-filled, early fachwerk home of cedar columns and plaster. This structure is one of the oldest structures in New Braunfels. This house was built by Stephen KLEIN with a little help from his son-in-law and famous furniture maker, Johann Jan. Stephen was in the founding wave of settlers that came with the Prince in 1845. He was actually one of the oldest ones, born in 1785. Stephen was a vine dresser and a carpenter by trade. He had a blind left eye, and there is no mention how this ailment came to be. Stephen was married to Margaretha Hoffmann, whose lineage dated back to 1550 on both sides to an area in Germany called Hattenheim. Stephen and Margaretha had a large family consisting of 12 children. Soon after Comal County was established, Stephen KLEIN was elected as one of the 4 Comal County commissioners. He regularly bartered with the Waco Indians that resided in these parts. There's a story about KLEIN's younger daughter, Anna Marie, who during a trade mistakenly aimed a pistol at one of the Indians and almost ignited a tomahawk and pistol riot. KLEIN's daughter quickly apologized, and by most accounts, the Waco Indians were known as a friendly tribe. Put simply, the KLEIN family is a pioneer family of New Braunfels, little different than Davy Crockett or Daniel Boone. Their roots are woven in the fabric that tell the story of New Braunfels. Many years after Stephen KLEIN's passing, Edward Nagelin Sr., the owner of the bakery next door, purchased the property, and to this day his descendants own this building.